Hey everyone, Huawei has unveiled an updated version of its popular MateView SE monitor, now featuring a 100Hz refresh rate. This enhancement is developed to provide smoother visuals, making it a compelling option for those who engage in high frame rate video playback, or simply want a more fluid experience when surfing the web. The MateView SE is available in two distinct versions, the rotating and height adjustable stand version and the standard stand version. The former starts at 669 yuan or approximately $93, and offers additional ergonomic features, including rotation, height adjustment, and VESA mount compatibility, allowing users to customize their viewing experience. The standard stand version, on the other hand, supports only tilt adjustment, catering to users with simpler needs. The primary enhancement in the new MateView SE model is the increased refresh rate, now at 100Hz, up from the previous 75Hz. This improvement ensures smoother motion and a more responsive experience, particularly beneficial for activities that demand higher frame rates. The MateView SE retains its 23.8-inch IPS display, which continues to deliver impressive visual performance. The monitor features a micro-bezel appearance that provides a 92% screen-to-body ratio, maximizing screen real estate while maintaining a sleek, modern appearance. With a Full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a wide 178-degree viewing angle, the display ensures sharp, vibrant images from virtually any viewpoint. The monitor supports 16.7 million colors and covers 90% of the DCI-P3 color space, offering a broad color spectrum that produces vivid and lifelike visuals. Additionally, the MateView SE boasts excellent color accuracy, with a delta-E value of less than 2, ensuring true-to-life color reproduction. Each monitor is professionally calibrated before leaving the factory to maintain this high level of accuracy. Huawei has prioritized eye comfort with the MateView SE, earning TÜV Rheinland certification for low blue light and flicker-free performance. These features help reduce eye strain, making the monitor a great choice for extended use. An ebook mode is also included, simulating the appearance of paper to enhance reading comfort by thickening text and reducing eye fatigue. Navigating the monitor's settings is made simple with a 5-way joystick, which replaces traditional buttons for a more intuitive on-screen display menu interaction. This appearance provides a more user-friendly interface, allowing for quick and easy adjustments. The MateView SE is equipped with HDMI and DP ports, ensuring broad compatibility with various devices, including gaming consoles, laptops, and desktop computers. This versatility makes the monitor suitable for a wide range of users, from gamers to professionals. The ergonomic appearance of the stand, available in both variants, allows users to position the monitor at an optimal viewing angle, further enhancing comfort during use. The rotating and height adjustable stand version offers even more flexibility, catering to users who need greater adjustability in their setup. Huawei's MateView SE monitor has been thoughtfully updated to provide a more fluid and comfortable user experience. With its new 100Hz refresh rate, enhanced ergonomic options, and continued commitment to color accuracy and eye comfort, the MateView SE is a strong contender in the competitive monitor market, offering great value for both casual and professional users. Thanks for watching. What did you like most about this monitor? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.